A language that computer understand is called a programming language. Okay, the same way as spoken language or English have grammar, right? It has rules, right? The same way programming language will have rules. You know what we call that as syntax? Exactly. Okay, so I will explain you that everything in the coming days. Okay, so now, so what is a programming language? So we have learned that a computer program is a set of instructions or commands. Okay, now to give the instructions or command, we need a language. Okay, so we need a language to give the instructions or command. So that we call as programming language. Okay, so we use programming language to give instructions to computers so that the computers can understand them. That is very important. If we give print, then parenthesis, then quotes, hello world, the computer understand it. Okay, so the computer can understand them. Okay, this is like a language we used to talk to a computer, like the same way we used to talk to others in a spoken language. This programming language is the language we used to talk to a computer. Okay, any question?